to IKIP PGRI Pontianak, the Bird Campus in West Borneo. IKIP PGRI Pontianak determined to become a superior and professional college, especially in the English education. English education study program that was accredited B, and of course lecture have a lot knowledge. So don't worry if you want to become a professional English teacher. This is the place. The IKIP PGRI Pontianak English Education Study Program is one of 11 study programs in the IKIP PGRI Pontianak environment. IKIP PGRI Pontianak English Education Study Program was established on August 18, 2009. The establishment of this study program is a manifestation of IKIP PGRI Pontianak's concern for the world of education in West Borneo, in line with the pace of development in Indonesia and change in society. This concern underlies the vision and mission of the English Education Study Program for community development, especially the people of West Borneo. In the development of the English Education Study Program, so far, the student component has always been a variable that determines the process of developing a study program as a field of study that is quite in demand. The IKIP PGRI Pontianak English Education Study Program continue to strive to improve the quality of graduates.
The IKIP PGRI Pontianak English Education Study Programs is one of 11 study programs in the Pontianak IKIP PGRI environment, and this study program has a vision and mission, namely, vision to create an English education study program that is superior, character, and competitive at the national level and at the Southeast Asian level in producing graduates in the form of professional, independent, and characters educator in 2045. Mission 1. Organizing superior education and technique with orientation to professional and independent of study in developing their potential so that they can become professional, independent, and will character candidate for English language educator and non-educational staff. 2. Conducting research to increase insight, knowledge, and experience in the world of English language education and is relevant to the life of English language science. Organizing communicative service in the form of applying science, skill, technology, and art in the fields of educating, teaching, and is relevant to the field of English language science. 4. Build a dynamic and healthy English education study program in order to strengthen the management of participatory, transparent, accountable, moral, and religion study program. 5. Establish cooperation with government and non-government agencies in an effort to develop study program and graduates in an effort to apply and develop science knowledge in the field of English language education.
Facilities program study English education. There is Wi-Fi, classroom, seminar room, library, and language laboratory.
English Education Study Program IKIP PGRI Pontianak has some academic activities such as Debating Week, Participant Selection for NUDC or National University Debating Championship, and Student Social Service or BSM. English Education Study Program IKIP PGRI Pontianak also implements a program of Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture with its independent campus or Kampus Merdeka, which consists of campus teaching, student exchange, study program exchange, entrepreneurship, internship program in English Village, and study independent.
The English Education Study Program will study English studies starting from aspect of listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And then the reason why we should choose English education is, first, English will be used everywhere. Then we can become part-time translator, can make your own English course, increase the chances of getting a job, easier to be accepted to work abroad, or prospect the opportunity to practice English with native speaker, and lastly we will consider it genius result.
English is an international language which is the standard language used in communication between countries. Therefore, English education cannot be underestimated because the ability to speak English is needed now and in the future. Therefore, the presence of professional English educator is highly sought after and needed. This study program is suitable for anyone who aspires to be a teacher, especially an English teacher. English Education Study Program is a study program that teaches students about the use of English for academic purpose of English teaching, so that this study program is perfect for students who are interested in becoming English teacher in the future.
And now, I will mention some of the job prospects of English education. Teacher or lecturer. You can also open an English course. Translator, journalist, tour guide, interpreter, news anchor, diplomatic staff, and writer.